So about to call a taxi. It's around 1:20 right now, and I'm on time for my interview. Let me first book a cab. Yeah, can I book a taxi right now? To the Garda station. Yeah, all right. How much time will it take to arrive here? All right, sure. Thank you. All right. Yep. So ready with my documents, my everything, and call a cab, which will arrive in most probably 5 minutes. They say it's 5 minutes, but I don't know if it comes in 5 minutes. I hope it does. Otherwise, I'm screwed. So it's right now around. It's 1:28. So yeah, hope to reach the interview on time. I have my interview slot at around 2:20. So maybe if I reach on early there, I'll have to wait for some time, which is quite okay. Otherwise, I might be late. I don't want to get late, so why not early? Aile? Foggy. Yes, it's okay now. The lens was really foggy. So almost done. Out of the house and waiting for the cab, which is not here as of now.
हाँ भैया लोग कहाँ जाओगे?
Garda station.
यार मेरा तो मूड नहीं है वहाँ पे जाने का। कितने बजे का अपॉइंटमेंट है?
2:20.
पूरे टेबल पे खाना खिलाया होगा और खा रहा होगा।
हाँ, अभी तो लंच टाइम है हम लोग का. Garda station. This is the Garda station where I have my visa interview today. But it's too early. I have my slot at 2:20 p.m. and it's 1:36 p.m. now. सारे के सारे lunch कर रहे होंगे अभी. So the reason I came early because I don't want to take a risk of arriving late. I always like to be on time. And right now I'm sitting just in front of the office, and there's a road that passes right in front of the office. And masks have been made mandatory, otherwise you won't be allowed to go inside the office. So I have worn my mask, and yeah, it's a choice between the glasses or the mask. Either I have to wear the mask or I have to wear the glasses. It's always a tough competition because if I wear the glasses with the mask, it gets foggy and I can't see anything. So yeah, I have to go half blind. Let me sit for like half an hour, and then I'll go inside, and after I come out, I'll start vlogging again. So just got done with my visa interview for the renewal process, and it just took 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, like exactly 10 minutes. It just took 10 minutes. So far it went good, and I should get my new visa by the next 2 weeks. I'll be receiving it by post, so that's a good thing, and I don't have to come here and collect it during these times when there's COVID everywhere. So that's fine with me. And now, as I've got completed with that process, I thought why not show you guys around this park, which is in the center of the city. Yeah, it's called the Ice House Hill Park. So it's situated right in the center of the city, almost accessible by like many directions. It's one hell of a park. It's a huge, humongous, with trees all around. It's nice to take a stroll in the evening or in the afternoon when you have no work. So let's go ahead and explore what else there's there to see and show you guys. So this is like the inside of the park, and there are some people sitting here. although they are maintaining distance. So that's a good thing. So let's go more further inside the park and just check what it's in store for us. I've been to this park before. Like it's one of those wonderful parks here where you can spend your time. Let's do one thing. Let's sit here and enjoy the view for some time. A beautiful park where you can take like evening walks and all those sort of things, and you can even play cricket, which we did a big mistake. We should have brought our bat and ball. We could have played cricket here. It's an open big field actually. And right now I'm standing beside this tree, which looks like an old tree, and from here the view looks somewhat like this. Please you guys leave down comments on please leave your comments down below on this video as to whether you like this video or not. I appreciate comments, and also I will appreciate likes on this video, which will encourage me a hell lot. Behind me is the ice house. Actually, it was used in the medieval times, or maybe the primitive times. Not actually primitive, maybe the 1700s, 1800s. And above that, actually, higher than that, is the park. So there was no park originally. They created this park over the ice house, and it's a beautiful place. So it looks really green. It's windy. It's around 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. Almost not really cold, but the wind is too much, hence you might feel cold for the first time. We're not feeling that cold, but it's great. It's pleasant actually today. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Just like my videos, like this video, and place your comments in the comment sections below, so that I can get encouraged to make more videos like this. And just look at this greenery. There's nothing much to show except the greenery. If we could have brought the cricket bat and ball, we could have played cricket. And there besides this park runs this road where there are residential areas. Those are the residential areas. This place is about 4 to 5 kilometers from my place where I stay, so not really a far away place. It's close by. So out of the Ice Hill Park now we are going to a different park, which is close by, not really close by, but is around 1.2 kilometers from here. So we're going to that park right now, and this is the road that leads to the park. It's around 3 o'clock in the evening actually. 3 o'clock in the evening almost. Eastern European food: sausages, salami, fish, and spices.